Okay, let's talk about the unit circle when we're talking about radians. So the 90, so all the corners here, so this is 0. So this would be pi over 2, and this is 1 full pi. This is 1.5 pies, so 3 pi over 2, and then this is 2 pies. The 30-degree increments, okay, so 30 degrees is 180 divided by 6. In radian language, that would be pi over 6. So this is pi over 6, okay? This line we're going to think about as 6 pi over 6, so that's just in your head. We don't need it, but we need to think about that, because that's 1 full pi. So now this is 5 pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6. And in my head, a full circle would be 12 pi over 6. So I'm thinking about that when I make this 11 pi over 6. The 45-degree increments, so 45 degrees is 180 divided by 4. In other words, pi over 4. So this is pi over 4. In my head, this is 4 pi over 4. So now this is 3 pi over 4, and this is 5 pi over 4. And in my head, this will be 8 pi over 4 because of the 2 pi. So therefore, this is 7 pi over 4. And the 60-degree increments, so 60 degrees is 180 divided by 3. In radian language, that's pi over 3. So this will be pi over 3. In my head, this would be 3 pi over 3. So now this would be a 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3. And in my head, 2 pi is 6 pi over 3. So that's just in my head, and so therefore if that's 6, this is 5 pi over 3. Okay, so it's creating the full unit circle. Okay, so 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and then 120, 135, 150, 180, then 210, 225, 240, 270, and then we go to 300, 315, 330, and 360. So now for the radians, I'm going to do 0, pi over 2, 1 pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. So now I'm going to do the 30s. So this is pi over 6. So if this is 6 over 6, this is 5 over 6, and 7 over 6. Then this spot, 2 pi, is 12 over 6. So therefore this is 11 over 6. 45 is pi over 4. So now this is 4 over 4. Therefore 3 over 4 is less, and 5 over 4 is more. 2 pi is 8 over 4. Therefore back is 7 over 4. Now the 60 is pi over 3. So this is 3 over 3, making this 2 over 3, 3 over 3, so this is 4 over 3. 2 is 6 over 3, therefore this is 5 over 3. Okay, now to fill in the values here, so I'm going to go x 0. Move right, so these will have a half. Move right, these will have a root 2 over 2. Move right, these will have a root 3 over 2. And then moving right, this would be a 1. So now I'm going to move left, so these points will have a negative a half. Move left, these points will have a negative root 2 over 2. Left, negative root 3 over 2. Left, negative 1. And now I'm going to do all the y's. So this will be a flat height of 0. Going up 1/2. From there up, this would be a root 2 over 2. Go up, root 3 over 2. Move up, height 1. Reset, height 0, go down, so negative a half. Go down, so this height is negative root 2 over 2. Go down, so negative root 3 over 2. Go down, negative 1. Okay, determine the coordinate x, y on the unit circle if you are given a 30 degrees. So I'm just going to go here, 30 degrees, so it says determine the coordinate. So I'm just going to write the full coordinate. If the point lies on the unit circle, the point P, what are the coordinates of the point if the angle is 300? So basically, again, looking at my unit circle, what is the point? So 1/2 comma negative root 3. And I'm looking for a point on the unit circle at an angle of 120. So here's 120. What is the coordinate of the point? So the answer is A.